Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, you know what time it is. Cooking with that one kid. So, today, if you hear a little bit of background noise, there's gonna be background music in this video, but if you hear a little bit of background noise, I'm playing GTA 5 right now. So, yeah. So today we're gonna be making nachos. So you grab your cheese, your Meyer brand cheese. Do we have any sour cream? Linda! We need sour cream! No, I'm just kidding. We don't have anyone named Linda. Then, you go to your pantry, check if there's any mice. No? Alright. Grab your chips. So, yeah. So, I need to go get my tripod, and I'm gonna just cut right here, alright? Alright guys, so we're back from that cut. So, grab your chips. Grab a handful of them. Spread them out on your plate. Just like that. Grab your cheese. Grab a huge handful of that. Oh yeah guys, I'm not gonna be a vegan cook. So if you guys are vegan, you don't like watching my stuff, then you guys can unsubscribe. Well, I mean, I only have 2 subscribers by the time of this recording, so I mean, I don't know, I think 3. I don't know, I'll check. But yeah. Like I said, there is gonna be background music to this video. So, yeah. So that's what you should end up with right there. And if you can see all of your cheese. It's pretty embarrassing right now. Alright. So put your cheese away. Make sure you zip it up, or you're gonna get yelled at by your mom. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, and also use a plate, or you'll get yelled at by your mom. Alright, so then you put your chips back in the pantry. You have one. And bring it over here. To the microwave. There we go. To the microwave. Close it. Put it in 30 seconds. Put it in a minute. Just for good measure. While that's going, you actually clean up. So, just wipe all your cheese into the sink. Wash it down. Alright. So, how does she look? Not very good yet. I'll stop it here, I'm gonna see. Alright, there's still a little. Whatever, it's fine. Alright, so then, you have your nachos there. So you can either have this stuff right here. It's it's Taco Bell mild sauce in a bottle. Or you can have this stuff. This is my favorite right here. Frank's Red Hot. But for nachos, I usually have the Taco Bell mild sauce. The Red Hot is usually made for eggs. Usually. Oh yeah, there's also gonna be a cooking video with eggs in it next Tuesday. So, oh yeah, also I'm gonna have a different kind of look of the kitchen next Tuesday because I'm gonna be cooking at my dad's house. So Sorry I didn't upload last week. I was grounded, so. Put some on. There we go. Put it back in the fridge. And your nachos there. Ooh, that doesn't look very good on the camera. Ooh. No, but like, it looks good in real life. It really, like, without, because I got a pretty crappy camera, I guess. It looks way better in real life, like, really. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me how this looks. And let me know, did you make it? So, talk to you guys in the next video. Stay pure.